What up, great people? It's your favorite jump rope guy, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today I'll be showing you how to remove rope kinks or curls from your jump rope and make it a lot straight for your jumping experience. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to jump rope, be motivated while you work out to be fit, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. Woo! So this video, it's a very practical video, so I'll be showing you steps on how to do this. So if you have gotten jump ropes like PVC jump ropes or PU jump ropes, you notice what I'm talking about. They come in a form that it is very cold, or it has these kinks on them. It's not so straight, as in it's not so straight like this. Maybe they have this curly, bendy kind of nature on them. This is due to the material they use to make this jump rope, and yeah, the packaging from the company too results to this kind of kinks and curls on your jump rope. Now if you try to jump with this kind of jump rope, it gives you a hard time, because I've tried it before, especially when I was learning double unders. So I discovered that the CrossFit jump rope I was using then, that tiny cable jump rope that is very fast, was giving me a hard time to learn my double unders. So I opted for this long handle freestyle jump rope. So when I got this jump rope, right, it was kind of having these kinks and curls. So I made some research and I made other lovely videos on YouTube on how to remove kinks from jump rope. But I'll be adding to those knowledge now a few things to help you better go through the process without any stress. So the few things we'll need for this video will be a heat source, and in my case I'll be using an electric jug. You need water, and you need a bowl. So my bowl will have cover, and I'll be using this little piece of carton for my insulator to prevent heat loss. So before you actually remove kink from your jump rope, you're not going to immerse all the jump rope plus the handle. So what you do is to remove the rope from the handle. Now most jump rope will come pre-installed, so how to do it is to push the rope out through the handle like so. Then you see the end caps. Now there are two types of end caps, like the very common ones, but they all have the same mechanism. What you basically do is to hold the cover of the end cap, then you kind of switch it open like so. You notice that there are now two. You see, one is sliding down, so you can easily wound this one out like so. It's out, you can see it in my hand, and you also pull this one out, then you can remove your handle like so. You see, that's simple. Now I'll be showing you the same thing with another jump rope. You kind of understand what I'm trying to say. So this is the LOfitnez jump rope. This jump rope is very strong, and a review of this jump rope is coming out soon, so you can think about or make a decision of picking this rope up very soon. Now why I love this rope is the fact that it has a very good weight distribution on the rope and very good for beginner. I hope I'm not starting the review right here right now. So the way the company or the brand backs it, it doesn't give it any kink. Like they make it, I think they have a good sense in doing that. Another good thing I'll give them a thumbs up for, you roll it in such a way that you don't end up with kinks on the rope. But those who just tangles it like this and kind of place a wire here, they give that jump rope kink. So if you have this kind of packaging from your company, I assure you are going to need this video to remove that kink. So showing you this before I kill with boring talks, this is another form of end cap that is very popular with PVC and PU jump rope. Now lycra also use this kind of jump rope, and I assure you never get any kink on lycra material. So what you do also here is to pull this second cap out like so, very simple. Then you wound this out. You see, this one has a different color. You wound this out like so, and you're free. Like you can pull out the handle like so, and boom, you see. So once you're done with both handles, you can just squeeze up your rope. I'll be showing you what you do next. So once you're good with this, then we head on to the video. Yeah, so your heat source is very important. That's where you need to like heat up your water. So I advise you heat it up to your boiling point, then you can transfer that water to a bowl. Like you see the bowl I'm using right here, it has a cover, and I'm using also an insulator below it, so it reduces the heat loss to the environment. So once that water is hot, like it has reached the boiling point, you can now transfer the water to that bowl. Now you see how I kind of rotate my rope, kind of pack it in that way, place it in that bowl, cover it, place it on the insulator and let it cool with the rope. Now you can go and play, you can go and have your fun, you can go on with your other day activities, and once you're done or once the rope is cool, you can come back and pick it up. Like you see me here, I was so not patient to wait for the water to get cold, and I'm picking up, it's kind of burning my fingers right here, you see. So you just pick it out and you see the kinks are gone. You're good. Like you're so good with a good jump rope now to start your jump rope training with. So once you're done, remember what we did the first time. We kind of pulled out the rope end cap and we're left with the handle. So we'll have to repeat something that is similar but opposite to what we've done. So we'll get our jump rope built back. You do this to the both handles. Remember, you pulled it out of this like so. So you have to insert it like this, entrance of this rope like this. Don't push it like this direction. So this is the end of the handle. So this is the beginning of the handle. You push it through the beginning of the handle of your jump rope. So once the rope is out behind like so, you put in that free moving part of the end cap first. So you push it in like so. So once it's in, you can now put in the tight version of it. So I'll put it in like so. So when you're putting it, you see that there's a part that has some kind of teeth to grip the rope. That one faces outside. So you see, I might give you a close-up shot for you to better understand this. So don't worry. Now try to rotate it down so that it can move freely. Once it has gotten to the right size for you, then you can push the other cap, then close it as tight as possible, and your head cap is fixed and your handle is in. So I'll do that to my second jump rope handle as well, the one I first started with. And yeah, push from the initial aspect of your handle to the end, put in the free one first like so. So once the free one is in, you can put in the, yeah, just like this. Once it has gotten to the mark where you kind of adjusted your handle or your rope length to, and you clip it, you're good. Alright, so that's basically all with this video. If you've done this, you're very much good with the straighten jump rope string, and you're very good to go with your trainers. Alright, give us a thumbs up if you like it. If this doesn't work for you, if you have any questions at all, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Once more, share it with your friends who need this video a lot, or who are just trying to enter the jump rope community to help them a lot. And subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on our lovely content. Until next time, guys, remain beautiful, handsome, be fit, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.